Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. My name is Geraldine Rose Concepcion from Cebu City, Philippines. I am 33 years old. My height is 160 centimeter and my weight is 59 kilograms. I am a single mother of two kids. I have one daughter and one son. I've been working in Saudi Arabia for almost 3 years. I took care there of three children, and the youngest is 8 months. I cook their I cook their food and I do the house cleaning. I do the iron and play with them. They are all three little cute girls. I am willing to work with you as long as you want me. As long as you need me, I am willing to work with you. I don't drink alcohol and I don't take any medication. I am hoping to work with you, ma'am. Thank you. Have a good day.